Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get to your task page and explain a little bit about it and how it works. First of all, there are a variety of different ways to get to your task page / grid. Let's click on Manage Tasks, and we are now shown the Manage Tasks page. This page / grid will hold every task you've created in your CRM. Real quick on the note of creating, you're able to create a task or anything using the universal create or plus button in the top navigation. It is located here. Also, each grid has its own individual create button, which is located here. Both have the same function for creating a task, so it's really up to you. Now speaking of the grid, you can see the task grid columns, which gives you a quick overview of the important information related to the task. Also, the grid shows if they are assigned or connected to a company, contact, or opportunity. And then on the far right, we have the actions column. And in the Actions column, we have a view or preview that lets you see the task details page, and then an edit icon to edit and update details, and then a remove icon, which lets you remove. And last but not least, the task complete checkbox. It is just a fast and convenient way to mark tasks done without having to go into each task detail page individually. Next, in the top right corner, you have the Actions button, which allows you to refresh your task grid, as well as export an individual task or every task that you have as an Excel spreadsheet or comma-separated document. A great feature with that is that you can export specific columns if you only want a couple versus all of them. And I have a couple more things I want to go over, so let's go back to the grid. Now I want to go over the search options for tasks. Next to the Actions button we talked about before, we have a drop-down or quick filter that has My Tasks and All Tasks. This drop-down allows you to select which tasks are completed and still pending in the system. And to the right of that, we have the actual search button, which is an advanced search within the grid. First, we have you select one or multiple columns that you want to search by. For example, if you are looking for the task associated with a specific company, you would select Company, then type in the name of the company, and then search. Then all the tasks that are associated with that company will pop up. There are a variety of different options and ways to search to narrow down exactly what you're looking for. One last thing with the search option is when you're picking columns to filter by, you can either clear everything by clicking on the clear button, or you can click on the trash can icon, which will delete that one individual option / criteria. Now let's close this, and the last thing I want to mention is don't forget that you're able to click on the individual task to get more details. I just want to go into more detail on that in a separate video since there are some cool tricks and shortcuts you can use to view information easier and faster. And that about wraps it up. Hopefully this quick run through helped you navigate and find your tasks a lot easier. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.